welcome to my kitchen. I hope everyone is really well and doing fine and getting on with all the good things in life. Today I'm going to use a very underrated vegetable, and this is a keto share recipe, and I'm going to be using turnips. Now I can hear all the rumbling and grumbling in the background. Oh, these are only for horses and so forth. They are not. They're actually a very good, high quality vegetable that are, quite nice if cooked properly. Today I'm going to cook them instead of a potato dauphinoise. I'm going to cook them with turnips, essentially a French type potato bake. And what you will need would be the turnips sliced, some lovely thick heavy cream, some minced garlic, some salted butter, some salt, and some pepper. So I'm going to get on and wash the turnips and slice them thinly, and then it's just a matter of putting them into a casserole dish with all the other condiments here. So I hope you like this, and I hope you'll try it. So let's get on. Right, slicing is complete, and as you can see I made quick work out with that with a mandolin. That's about the size you want them, and they do, for all intents and purposes, look quite like potatoes. So let's see how it's going to mount up. Now I have buttered my dish, and I'm going to start off with just layering them. You don't have to be precise, just put them in. Probably make about 3 layers in this dish, and just try and fill out, the little holes. And then I'm going to add little pieces of cubed butter, just dab it on. And then obviously a little salt and pepper. We really want to season these nicely. And some lovely minced garlic, which, imparts beautiful flavour and aroma. In a traditional potato dauphinoise, obviously it's delicious, but it will be just as delicious with these. Okay. Excuse me, my voice is cracking. I'm going to get on with my next layer. Looks quite messy, but it's going to taste nice. Now just dab on some more butter, and I'm going to actually add just a little bit of salt and pepper, of course. I won't put any garlic on the top, but I'm going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese, for some added delight. And then in an ordinary potato dauphinoise, you'd need to have milk and cream, equal amounts of it, but I'm not going to add milk to this. I'm going to add only cream. So nice heavy pouring cream. Really heavy. Cover it all. And I'll just put a little bit in more for good measure. bit more cheese. Now you could, if you wanted, you could add pieces of cooked bacon or pieces of cooked ham. I'm going to cover with alfoil. And I'm going to put this into a nice hot oven and probably test it at about, I don't know, 20-30 minutes, just by pricking the potatoes. If they're nice and soft, I'll take the foil off completely and let it all golden on the top. Okay, well that's looking yummy. So I'll just pierce it with a fork, just see. Yes, it needs a little bit longer, not too much longer. They've obviously taken a little bit longer than potatoes to cook. This has been in nearly an hour. But, you know, just check them as you're going along. So I'll turn that back to the oven and let it finish baking. There, it's all bubbling. And I think by now it's cooked. Yes, it feels cooked. So I'm just going to let that cool for a little while and then I'll taste it. And hopefully it'll be as scrumptious as the real potatoes dauphinoise. If I'm saying that incorrectly, please forgive me. Yum. Okay, this is cooled sufficiently for me to taste. Just a small scoop. Okay, here goes. Look, you can definitely taste the slight bitterness of the parsnip, of the turnips. However, if you're really craving a potato bake or a potato gratin or a potato dauphinoise, this is a very good substitute. It'll give you that kind of feeling that that's what you're eating, and it won't kick you out of ketosis. And that's the most important thing if you're on a keto diet. So this is quite nice. As I said, you can probably add some ham, cooked ham or cooked crumbled bacon to give it, you know, a slightly different taste. But I would still add the bit of garlic and the butter and the cream and the Parmesan cheese. Anyway, folks, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe share. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the new subscribers. I always love that. And I hope to see you really soon with a new recipe or a new video of some kind. So I'll catch you all later. Bye-bye for now.